I am Pranita and I am going to present on the topic increased emphasis on health and well-being on behalf of my group. So let us know what is health and what is well-being. Basically, being healthy means being free from illness or disease, may it be physical or mental health. And well-being means not just about fulfilling our basic needs, but also it's about having a satisfactory life. So, why there should be an emphasis on health and well being? Because understanding our health and well being tells us how much importance we give it to it. Through this presentation, I am going to talk about how health and well being are affecting each other and how we can cope up with such circumstances. So, introduction. In today's generation, maintaining a good health and quality of life is a tough task, and balancing those together is very challenging as physical health, mental health, and well being are interrelated. For suppose if someone is suffering from a serious illness like cancer, it is not only the physical health deteriorates, but also it affects the mental health, leading to stress and depression, which in turn affects the quality of life, that is well being, as a person may lose the purpose of his or her life. Mental health and well-being. Physical health affects both mental health and well-being. So to maintain health, it is important to take care of it. We can achieve that by eating healthy and avoiding unhealthy habits like smoking and alcohol. And we need to try connect with more people often. And we can also try to be in a positive environment and by staying positive through exercise and meditation. Boost your well-being. Well-being is all about making ourselves feel good because only then we can achieve a meaningful and purposeful life. For example, if a person is in a good position in his career, although he might be able to fulfill his needs and have a quality life, he might not have the time or satisfaction to enjoy the life due to overworkload and job pressure. This can affect the well-being. So boosting our well-being is really important. There are a few ways to do that, like having a nice cup of coffee, reading some meaningful passage from a book or any other source, doing things that we like watching your favorite movie or any show. We can even listen to some motivational speeches and hang out with our friends. Promoting health and well-being. We can increase the awareness of health and well-being by promoting it in schools, colleges, and workplace as to how to manage our lives with good health and well-being. Here's how health and well-being are affected due to the pandemic. As we all know that due to the onset of COVID-19, many people have lost their lives. So COVID has affected the physical health, which also affected the mental health due to the fear of not surviving it. And as many people became unemployed during that time, most of them faced financial crisis, which led to stress, anxiety, and depression by decreasing the quality of life as it was really hard to even fulfill their basic needs. Take responsibility. The pandemic is the evidence that we all are in this together and all our efforts count individually. Social support is the key factor in this. So, I want to conclude by saying that as we all know the importance of health and well being, people should try to take care of themselves to lead a happy and purposeful life. Thank you.